Welcome back to Woodworker Express. Today I'll be showing you the WE Preferred Bottom Mount Waste Pullout. These waste pullouts were value engineered to be a solution for where to put that pesky garbage can. Out of sight. Out of sight. The WE Preferred Waste Management System has all of the bells and whistles that trash pullouts costing twice the amount include. With an easy to install soft close carriage that is available in both double bin and single bin capacity based on the amount of room you have in your existing cabinetry. The single bin units are designed for a minimum of 11 3/4 of an inch cabinet opening, and that's from left and right. The double bins are designed for a minimum 14 3/4 inch cabinet opening. Here are some of the features. Soft close undermount slides. Weight rating of 100 pounds static, 75 pounds dynamic. Exceeds BHMA requirements of 50,000 cycles. Patented slide strap step to clear face frames. 4-screw installation. A solid maple top frame and plywood box. Dovetail construction. The single units have an additional storage space for trash bags. Door mount bracket adjustments provide 4.55 inches of pure adjustability. Each single kit includes one wood carriage with soft close slides, 2 door mounting brackets, and 1 waste bin. And of course the double units include all that I just mentioned, plus an extra waste bin. Out of sight.